What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This one undoubtedly from the pass-around group, or at least I'm 99% sure, which means whatever's in here was likely provided by the manufacturer for review. Before we get started, I'd just like to remind everybody that I am currently at 65 patrons out of 70 for my goal. What happens at my goal? I'm going to be doing a free-to-enter giveaway for this beautiful, brand new Lion Steel ROK. Red aluminum integral with the cool retractable pocket clip there in M390 steel. If you would like to help support this channel and help me reach my goal, you can follow the link down in the description. Head to my Patreon, have a look around, and you can join any tier. Any tier will grant you access to my once a week Patreon exclusive video and of course retro access, however you say that, retroactive access, I guess, to all of my previous Patreon exclusive content. $3 and up will also get you this cool Metal Complex logo sticker. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. If you'd like your own rainbow mermaid knife for your own unboxings, there's an affiliate link in the description where you're not. Anyways, let's get into this package here. What do we have? We have another layer of security. Okay, there we go. What do we have? Looks like a CRKT box. Yes, it is. What could be in this CRKT box? We have, well, first we have a sticker from Zach Stuff. It's one of my favorite channels in my network here. If you guys have not checked out Zach Stuff, you definitely should. He's an awesome guy. Okay, what do we have? You know what I should do is just take a look at the box. The helical. Looks like a Ken Onion design. Okay, right off the bat, love the profile. It's thicker than you would imagine, but not super duper thick. Very good flipping action. We definitely have a small, sort of narrow tanto, which is, I mean, a good design in terms of, well, I mean, overall, what you have is a pretty long knife. Let's go ahead and measure it here. I'm going to guess it's at least 8 inches. Probably more than that. It's probably 8 1/4. Almost. 8.1. Yeah, maybe 8.2, something like that. Nice long blade that is hidden completely, almost completely, by the handle. And we have, what is this material? I think this is like an FRN or a plastic. Great flipping action. We've got a sub-liner lock that's sort of nested into these plastic scales. Not like regular plastic. This is obviously like a reinforced, they call this a reinforced polymer. I'm not really sure. Really, really cool though. Definitely. Ken Onion design, you can see right there. The helical. Pretty cool. Nice deep carry pocket clip. That'll be an interesting one to take a look at. This will undoubtedly be an inexpensive knife. I'll go ahead and link, if there is an affiliate link, I'll go ahead and link the link for this knife down in the description as well if you'd like to purchase it. If not, you can wait for my review. In any case, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or at least found it entertaining. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.